Our next segment on this tape is going to be plastic tank repair. If we'll pan down here to this, you can see that there's a pretty healthy crack here from accident victim. We want to try and get the tank basically back to where it was. You can see our crack right here is about 2.5 inches long. The most important part to plastic tank repair is preparation of the surface itself. Deep scratches is what we need. I use a stainless or a wire brush on a drill and just lay into it. You actually see the epoxy or the tank coming apart, flying apart. I try and go an inch past the crack in all directions. And you can see how rough that surface is. Now preheat the area a little bit. We're going to apply some epoxy to this. And we're going to smooth this out a little bit and coat our whole entire area. We're going to run 1 to 2 layers of fiberglass matting on top of our repair. I suggest 2 layers when you're going around outlets, hose connections, any mounting brackets. And once we get the matting fully saturated, covered, we can start with a little bit of heat on this, start our curing process, and also start our smoothing process. You have a little bit of working time with it with a heat gun. Enough to do anything you really have to do to it. Once everything's in position and neat, you can go ahead and go for the dual cure. As soon as you start to see the epoxy changing colors from the clear to almost an opaque white, you want to cut your heat and allow the heat that's already in the unit to finish your curing process. A couple other things you can do. For this tank here, we've rebuilt the mounting bracket. The way I did this total piece right here is all epoxy and fiberglass matting. I simply taped a piece of cardboard on and filled that in with epoxy and matting, cured it, took the cardboard off and shaped it. Stainless or a steel insert on your hose connection, so you can take these off of other radiators and put them on. Here's a filler neck, which will also help for your broken overflow tubes. You can replace the whole neck rather than just trying to epoxy a tube on. Makes for a better looking repair. Of course, your tank, cracking the tank, and also inserting threads into a mounting bracket. You can use a steel nut for that. Most important part to your repairs is make sure you're looking for a surface like this.